Chuki got the sauce.
Hot break, ease up. Don't let go the gas completely. Alright, so basically, yeah, get the bike. Right on deal. Right on deal, man. On deal. Hey, don't cheat the system.
Try to make it go for down way there. Deeper.
Okay, come just come back a little bit, turn the angle to the left. Yeah. Alright. Easy, hold the brake. Yeah, take your time. Yeah. That's why I tell you, always have that foot there up. Cause as you say it come into play now and it's gonna be muscle memory pretty soon. Same procedure, take time and move on. Voila. Good. Second gear. Alright, take time, release the clutch. Good, take time, release the clutch. Compression. Yo, it's a workout this time. Man, take it out. to your left, keep to your left. Hill starts, beginner shifting into just second gear, turning. Yeah, that's all we're doing today. Pretty impressed. Impressive rather. Slow down to the bump. Good. This is steep. Turn. This is steep, man. It looks steep right down there, sir. Alright. Straight down and go up. Yeah. Good. I didn't even tell him to use no indicator. Brother advancing. He can actually buy a 600 for his first bike and ride it. It's very controlled. And you wouldn't believe that this is his second lesson. And so far him learned hill start. Well, he's currently learning hill starts. He's learning turning at junctions, basically using the indicator. And also I've been teaching him how to shift up in second gear. You know, because we're not going any fast speed for him to really use third gear yet. But yeah, second gear. I tell her turn off the indicator. Yeah. What was that? And I straight it up and I splat it up on. Good, good. Ah, good boy. Yeah. Right, so this, you know, any boy will want, never mind. Stop. Good. Stop. Back brake, back brake. Ready? Ready? Back brake. Come on, man. Let go the back brake. Me see your foot. Me see your foot.
Yeah, you have to get first when you go be in.
Eh?
You have to get first because
You ain't a first. Asha, the man in a second. Well, I can start in second. Basically, you have to know clutch. You have to know the clutch, you know?
oh.
If you really start in a second, but take your time. Put in a first gear. Good, first. Alright, good. When you're coming back up, you can say by the time you reach like even the first stone there, you shift down into first. Yeah. Or when you reach on the hill right here, so now I'll stop you, put in the first. Brake! More gas. Oh, hold the clutch, brother. Hold the clutch. Don't. Yeah. Hold the clutch, hold the clutch. Alright. It's a full workout, you know? Stop sign, please. No, be it, you know. Indicator on, good, good. Look left, look right. Compression going down. Yeah.
subscribe,
Yeah.
share,
Yeah.
ring the post notification bell so you will be notified whenever we drop a new
Opa,
video.
them